Hello, my name is Pedro Palma and today I am presenting the work Thermal Comfort in Portuguese Households, Mapping Energy Needs at Civil Parish Level. People spend about 90% of their time inside buildings, mostly in their homes. Thermal comfort is related to the building's energy performance and it affects people's health, welfare and ability to function. In the European Union, because of low income, poor building construction and high energy costs, 50 to 125 million people are unable to ensure thermal comfort in their households. Portugal was chosen as the case study because it's located in southern Europe, targeted as one of the most likely climate-impacted regions. It has an aging building stock with low energy performance, decentralized low-efficiency climatization equipment and low ownership rates, especially for cooling, and high levels of energy poverty in the population. The goal of this work is to assess the energy performance gap for heating and cooling of the main residence dwellings for all of the 3,092 civil parishes of mainland Portugal and islands and use it as a proxy for thermal comfort assessment. For this purpose, first, the nominal final energy needs for space heating and cooling of the dwelling stock were estimated from 191 dwelling typologies defined by a set of characteristics like building's area, wall types and bearing structure. Then the real energy consumption for heating and cooling was estimated from climatization systems ownership data, municipal statistics on energy consumption, and data from energy matrices per type of end use. Then the energy performance gap was estimated from the difference between the nominal needs and the real energy consumption. Firstly, for the nominal scenario, considering a permanently heated or cooled dwelling area, and then in order to test more realistic climatization habits, two alternative scenarios based on a regional reduction of the average conditioned area and the climatization equipment operating hours were also tested. The conservative scenario where the reductions were lighter and the strict scenario where the reductions were more severe. Results show that the heating and cooling energy needs are considerably higher than the final energy consumption. Regarding heating, the national gap was 93% in the nominal scenario, and in the conservative scenario, this gap was reduced to 53%, and the heating gaps of about 20% of the civil parishes were bridged. In the strict scenario, the national gap was only 11%, and in heating gap of the 75% of the civil parishes was eliminated. Regarding cooling, the national gap was 97% in the nominal scenario, and it was reduced to 76 and 23% in the conservative and strict scenarios respectively. No gaps were offset in the conservative scenario, whilst about 25% of the civil parish gaps in the strict scenario were eliminated. The energy performance gaps that were eliminated can result from purposely set behavioral climatization patterns without jeopardizing indoor thermal comfort, while the gaps that remained might be indicative of an energy poverty level in certain population groups. The potential increase of energy consumption for adequate indoor thermal comforts red flags a problem for climate mitigation goals. Energy efficiency increase in both buildings and equipment and increased use of passive measures as well, like shading and insulation, especially for southern European countries, are key to reduce the energy needs. These results combined with socioeconomic data of the building occupants can be further developed to track vulnerable consumers and to support national and local energy efficiency policies and instruments. Thank you very much.